Okay, so there's a ton of birds in my yard, and it's really, really creepy. Why isn't my camera zooming out? Zoom? Oh, it zoomed in. Zoom out? No. Okay, no zoom out today. Well, there's a ton of birds in my yard because my mom refilled the bird feeder, and it reminds me of the birds. Oh, look, there's more. Hello, birdies. Hello. Oh, they're all attacking each other. Oh, we fell off. Caw, 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 caw. Oh, look it, they're flying away. Fly away, birdies. Fly to my neighbor's yard, please. I don't like you, birds. You're scary. I think they're almost all gone. They're still all under there. There's a lot less than there was before, which is pretty good. Yeah. So, look, it's my cool bee. And my swing set. Sweet swing set. Slide. Birdhouse. Neighbor's house. Birds.